Good morning. My name is Robin Eckhart. I'm the program coordinator at Southern Crescent Technical College for the Unmanned Aircraft Systems program. Now, what we are providing here is a 16 credit hour, 2-term course to obtain a technical certificate in unmanned aircraft systems. Unmanned aircraft started out as a military application, of course. Very expensive to buy a drone. With technical advances, though, microcomputers and brushless motors and all of this technology, it has now become affordable to buy a drone. So many companies and individuals have developed a number of applications that can be affordable. We used to use helicopters to do aerial surveys. Now we have drones. That's just one of many different applications for drones. However, if you're a company, you're probably not going to hire somebody that has been playing around with a drone in their backyard. You want somebody that knows about the regulations, because there are regulations. There's weather, national airspace system, somebody that's actually flown a variety of drones. So that's what we're providing here at the college. That's what this technical certificate is about. Obtaining the knowledge and the ability, the experience in a number of different kinds of drones. They have bought a bunch of drones for us, from very small drones to larger drones. They bought us some drones with thermal imaging as well. So there's lots of opportunity for experience in flying drones. So the future, like I said, it's developing. We have applications that we know about. We have applications that we don't know about yet because they haven't been discovered or researched and found out. So there's a lot of opportunity for the future. There's 4 segments of this 2-term course. The first one is concepts. Basically, half the time is in lecture and half the time is flying. That's where you're getting your experience. Then there's a commercial application segment where we touch on as many applications as we are aware of at this time. We're probably not going to make you an expert in making maps. However, we'll introduce that and we'll get speakers to come in and talk about it, and we have software on our computers here as well that we can play with it, try to learn more about it. So there's a whole course on that. Then there's a flight development segment, which will try to get very accurate with flying, because it sounds simple, it's easy to fly, I have to admit, but it's a little bit harder to be very accurate with your flying. So there's a whole segment for that. And then, of course, the Federal Aviation Administration. If you want to make money flying a drone, you have to have a Part 107 license in rating. So we prepare you for the test, of course, for the FAA or the Federal Aviation Administration written exam. At the end of all that, you get a technical certificate. Then we believe you'll be able to go to a company or an individual and say, here, I have the technical ability to fly your drone safely, legally, accurately, and produce images, because that's sort of what it's all about, some kind of image for your company, to be an asset to your company. So that's basically the program. Think big. Drones are not always going to be small. They're going to get larger, but you'll have the ground floor knowledge and experience to continue your education. Aviation is all about continuing education. You learn, you get to a certain level, and then you continue to learn, because regulation is going to change and the technology is going to change. But that's what it's all about. That's the exciting part of this industry, and it is exciting because it's new. Back in the early 1900s, manned aircraft was new, and it was a pretty exciting time. Still is, I think. But, so there's lots of opportunities, we believe, in future employment in this industry. Remember, of course, that drones are a tool. If you're studying engineering, electrical engineering, for example, a drone that has thermal imaging would be helpful in detecting hotspots and electrical shorts, and et cetera, or even if you're in construction, heat leaks. And this is wintertime, and we're recording this in the middle of January. Roof inspections, you can detect there's a hotspot. Well, there's not enough insulation in the building in that particular area, so that's a possibility. Agriculture, the creative arts, public safety for search and rescue. There's just so many applications that it would be a long video if I tried to cover them all. So anyway, consider, contact your counselor, find out more information about this. Again, my name is Robin Eckhart. I'm the program coordinator for the Small Unmanned Aircraft System Technical Certificate Program. Thank you for listening. Have a good day. Bye.